Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, Nathalie's World. I'm happy to see you back in my new episode. Behind my back, there is a newly opened shopping mall paradise for all shoppers of all times in Bangkok, EmSphere. It's been on construction for the last 3 years, and today is the day, and today it's officially open to public. And many people coming here for Christmas shopping. And I'm inviting you today to do some Christmas shopping in IKEA, ZARA Home, H&M Home. Let's go!
Make yourself comfortable and immerse yourself in the holiday atmosphere because we are going to choose New Year's decorations and gifts. 20 minutes of beauty and New Year's mood await for you. In addition to ZARA, IKEA and H&M Home, we will look at other boutiques and I will show you how shopping centers are decorated for the New Year in Thailand. And at the end of this video, I will show you how I decorated my Christmas tree and New Year's fireworks. My dears, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a big like so that YouTube promotes my videos to as a wider audience as possible. Thank you so much for your support.
So the best way to come here is by BTS. As you can see, there is SkyTrain going and there is a skywalk constructed directly from BTS station here. As you can see, people already walking on this skywalk and it connects to neighboring shopping malls, Cartier and Emporium with EmSphere, and 3 of them are called M District.
Now we will take a walk through the newly opened shopping center EmSphere and stop by IKEA for New Year's decorations. On the ground floor, there is M Market with many cafes and a large supermarket. As you can see, there is a festive atmosphere everywhere. A lot of people came to the opening of this mall. IKEA is located on the 3rd floor and there is already a long line there too. And for a good reason. This is the only large IKEA store not only in Bangkok but also in the world, which is located in the city center. So, let's take a look inside.
Play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know. Pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for 2. I keep waiting all night.
My dears, I'm a little bit disappointed. Such a little place for Christmas shopping in IKEA. I thought, okay, there will be a real place for Christmas shopping, but here, look, it's just very, very, very little space. Just like that. Flower shop area. And here they have their Christmas goods. It's really little and they have a limited choice. I already discussed with some sales assistants here, and they told me that the main choice of goods they have in another bigger store, but not here. Hopefully in ZARA Home and H&M Home they have more choices to get some nice Christmas gifts. Already paid? Oh my, so fast. All right, thank you. I got my goodies in IKEA. Thank you.
Can we do head back home? When the neighbors call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas.
Now we will go to another shopping center nearby called EmSphere.
So baby, let it snow.
Here I am staying on the red carpet. Apparently today there will be a big ceremony and many celebrities are going to walk on this red carpet, and I am one of them, bringing you to the best places for Christmas shopping in Bangkok. So let's go shop in ZARA Home in EmSphere.
Just look at all this beauty. This branch of ZARA Home is the largest and most beautiful in Bangkok, and here you can find household goods, textiles, and perfumes. Let's take a look at the dining room section. Everything is already decorated for Christmas. The new collection is presented here. Dishes and textiles are shown in traditional New Year's colors: red, gold, and silver. Very beautiful candlesticks and candles in the shape of Christmas trees. Take a closer look. This year, ZARA Home has some very cute napkin rings. These ones cost 1,900 baht. Here are some New Year's pillows. And I need a table runner for my table. And I'm thinking of this one. How do you like it? There are also these options. Let's take a look at the windows. So beautiful! Everything is made in gold. And so many different decorations. Let us choose something for my Christmas tree together. I will show you some options and you will write in the comments which ones you like the best. Transform your home into a winter wonderland with elegant and festive Christmas decor from ZARA Home. Discover top ideas to create a magical and stylish holiday atmosphere. For myself, I prefer to choose non-glass Christmas bows because they will not break and will last longer. It's good that this idea was also taken into account in ZARA Home, and there is plenty of decorations made from unbreakable materials with a pleasant velvety feel. But plastic decorations will also work. I really like these painted bows in the Russian style. Here is an interesting Christmas tree set in the shape of fast food or vegetables. In general, unusual Christmas tree decor is in trend this season. I'll show you everything in this video. Let me now show you what I have chosen from ZARA Home to decorate my own Christmas tree. Well, friends, let's move on. Look how beautifully EmSphere shopping mall is decorated. Write from what cities and countries you are from and how you decorate for New Year holidays. And I brought you to another cool department store in EmSphere. It's called Another Story. Here you will find many ideas for unusual, tasteful goods, as well as beautiful premium Christmas tree decorations, which I will show you now. I ended up buying this dog. I looked at it for a long time and I was hesitant because of the steep price of $28. These are the unusual decorations of this year.
Mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner.
Did you hang a Christmas wreath on your door this year?
Just around the bend.
Do you have such a tradition in your country?
Comes a holiday for family and friends.
Write in comments.
Christmas coming just around the Christmas coming just around. Christmas coming just around the bend.
Hey guys, I'm in front of Central World Shopping Mall in Bangkok, and here we are going to do Christmas shopping in H&M Home. Are you ready to do some amazing Christmas shopping? Let's go see what they have inside.
And this is what Christmas market looks like in another large and popular shopping center, Central World. Here you can stroll along the rows and choose beautiful and inexpensive Christmas tree decorations. There are similar bazaars in every shopping center in Thailand for each new year. And even if you don't celebrate it, it's still a good idea to take a walk and look at all these splendid decor. Now we are entering a department of traditional Thai goods, which is called Hak Thai. In general, Thais, being Buddhists, do not celebrate Christmas and New Year as such. Here, Christmas is an ordinary working day. They have their own Thai New Year, which is celebrated on the 13th of April. But still, for many Thais, New Year holidays are an occasion to stroll through boutiques, look at all this beauty, and buy a couple of gifts for their foreign friends. These Christmas decorations are sold in the shape of food and drinks. What do you think about it? Would you like these decorations for your own Christmas tree? Well, let's finally take a look at H&M Home and see what Santa Claus has prepared for us this year.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over.
Let's start with the dining room section.
I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Just look how beautiful it is.
This year, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
What an unusual color combination of pink and green.
La 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 la, oh oh, la 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 la, making our Christmas memories.
How do you like it?
Wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me.
And here you can buy fresh and dried flowers and ask a shop assistant to arrange a bouquet for you as a gift or to please yourself.
Until the sun comes up, these are the good times with you.
And this is a section for bathroom and children's goods.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas.
And here you can embroider your name on a Christmas sock or any other fabric for free. You just choose a color and style you like, and a technician will embroider your own design right in front of you.
To see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
These are some cute glass and plastic toys presented at H&M Home. Look, here is another oyster. Remember the one I showed you at the beginning of this video in another storage store? I actually finished up buying these oysters. Did you hang a Christmas wreath on your door this year? Where is your favorite place to shop for New Year holidays? Write in comments. My dears, have you decorated a Christmas tree this year? Have you bought new decorations for it? If so, I hope my video inspired you to shop and got you into the holiday spirit.
We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that...
Thank you guys for watching my video about Christmas shopping in Bangkok, and I really hope that you liked my video. I see you in my next video about Thailand. Don't forget to put me a thumb up, subscribe my channel Nathalie's World, and share it with all your friends. You make my day by supporting my channel and watching my videos. I wish you great Christmas, great holiday, and Happy New Year. Bye bye!
The feeling is right today. Magic in the air.